So, una sa lahat, ano ba yung self-improvement? In my words, it is a lifelong journey where you improve your habits over time, where your single greatest enemy is yourself. So in Tagalog, that's ang panghabang buhay na paglalakbay kung saan nag-i-improve ka at yung pinaka-kalaban mo talaga is yung sarili mo. So, pangalawa, sino ba ako? So, ako nga pala si Vince Andrew and I have been on self-improvement since I was 14 and dito ako para i-share yung journey ko at results ko to hopefully matulungan kita at makonvince kita na this is the right path, maging mahirap man o mayaman, sino ka man, kahit anong edad, that this is the right path, that you can still improve yourself every single day with the right mindset. Hanggang sa ngayon ay nasa self-improvement pa din naman ako. Nag-improve pa din ako araw-araw. But I wish somebody told me this when I first started out in self-improvement, and that is to just start ngayong araw. Magsimula ka lang ngayong araw. Huwag mo nang patagalin pa. So that was my biggest mistake, is that I delayed my self-improvement. Dinelay ko yung self-improvement ko. And this video, I will show you how exactly, specifically, paano magsimula. So here it goes. So first step, unang hakbang. So, learn about self-improvement. So, learn as much about self-improvement. Alimin mo yung mga self-improvement habits. Manood ka ng mga video. Or, I suggest na diretso na lang tayo sa step 2, which is to list down 5 self-improvement habits that you learned about at kayahin mo lang kung ano yung sinulat ko dito. So pangatlo is make them into what I call, yung tinatawag ko dito na habit tracker. So, pagkatapos nun, lagyan mo ng pangalan yung bawat box sa bawat column. So, una kanina dun yung exercise. And after that is meditation, reading, journaling, at last ay yung cold bath. Diretso tayo sa step 4, which is you just post it where you can see it every single day. Ilagay mo siya kung saan mo makita araw-araw. So, in my case, linalagay ko lang to sa sa harapan ng work desk ko kung saan ako nag-work. So, dyan ko nakikita yan araw-araw. So, nare-remind ako na meron pala akong mga responsibilidad sa sarili ko. So, yun nga, hindi ko yun nakakalimutan kasi nakikita ko siya araw-araw, di ba? So, ayun lang. So, sana naging valuable yung video na to sa'yo, and hopefully I convince you to start your own self-improvement journey. So, kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please consider giving a like and subscribe for more self-improvement content from someone like me. And that's all. God bless.